As the first model stepped onto the runway, it became very clear this wasn't just another couture collection. The show featured dramatic gowns, sharply tailored jackets, flowing capes, elegant drapes, and handcrafted embroidery that reflected Indian artistry in a global setting. Rich metallic tones, intricate embellishments, shimmery fabrics, and detailed surface work came together to create a collection that felt luxurious without losing its Indian identity. Instead of trying to imitate Western couture, Manish brought Indian craftsmanship to one of fashion's biggest global platforms. And that is what made the collection stand out. The audience responded immediately. The presentation received a standing ovation, with many appreciating not just the craftsmanship, but also the emotion behind the collection. The front row was equally glamorous. Several international fashion insiders, buyers, editors, and industry leaders attended the show. Representing India were celebrities and close friends of the designer, including Janvi Kapoor, Khushi Kapoor, and socialite Natasha Poonawalla, who all turned heads with their own couture looks and showed support for Manish on this historic fashion event. Beyond the celebrity appearances, the event sent a much bigger message. For years, Indian designers have been admired across the world for embroidery, textile, and craftsmanship. But this show proved that Indian couture does not need validation. It belongs on the world's biggest fashion stages. Social media was flooded with clips from the runway as fans praised the collection's storytelling, the emotional tribute to his mother, and the way Indian craftsmanship was presented to the global audience. Many called it a proud moment for the Indian fashion, and perhaps that's what made this debut so memorable. It wasn't just about making history. It wasn't just about showcasing expensive couture. It was about carrying a piece of home, a mother's memory, and generations of Indian craftsmanship to Paris. Fashion trends come and go. Collections are remembered for a season, but the ones that tell a real story will stay with people forever. And with Manish Malhotra didn't just debut but reminded the world that some of the most powerful designs are the ones created with emotion. Do you think this is one of the biggest moments for Indian fashion on the global stage? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the world of fashion and entertainment. This is Dua signing off. Keep watching Famous TV.